Have you ever wondered why some people rush to help others while some just pass by indifferent? The intriguing world of altruism, this innate tendency to aid others, often presents itself as a paradox in human behavior. We're left questioning, why do some of us act selflessly, while others remain bystanders? Now imagine a scientific experiment that probes into this enigma, promising surprising results that might shake your understanding of human nature. Well, psychologists decided to dive into this paradox with a fascinating experiment. In the 1970s, psychologists John Darley and Daniel Batson conducted an experiment known as the Good Samaritan experiment. This groundbreaking study took place at a theological seminary, where the researchers sought to explore the paradox of altruism. The participants were seminary students, who were asked to prepare a speech. Some were assigned the parable of the Good Samaritan, while others were given unrelated topics. But here's the twist. On their way to present their speeches, each student encountered a man slumped in an alley, clearly in distress. The ingenious aspect of this experiment was the introduction of the variable of hurry. Some students were told they were late and needed to rush to their presentation location, others were told they had just enough time, and a third group was told they had plenty of time to spare. Now, you'd expect that those who prepared the Good Samaritan speech would be more likely to stop and help, right? After all, they've just been mulling over the moral and ethical implications of helping a distressed stranger. But here's where things get interesting. The results were not as one might expect. It was not the topic of the speech that determined whether the students stopped to help the distressed man. Instead, it was largely the level of hurry they were in. Shockingly, the results showed that the level of hurry the participants were in greatly influenced their helping behavior, more than their moral or ethical beliefs. So it seems that our willingness to help others may be more influenced by our circumstances than our convictions. The Good Samaritan experiment revealed something profound about human behavior. It uncovered the unsettling reality that our sense of urgency can overshadow our moral compass. While it's comforting to believe that our ethical decisions are based on a steady inner code, the experiment suggests that situational factors often hold the reins. In this study, the haste of the subjects played a significant role in determining whether they would stop to help a stranger in distress. It's almost as if the ticking clock deafens the call of our conscience. This brings us to a crucial understanding about altruism. The act of helping others is not just a matter of personal values, but it's also significantly influenced by the environment and our perception of time. The implications of these findings ripple across our understanding of human behavior. They encourage us to be more aware of the situational factors that can cloud our judgment. So, next time you see someone in need, remember the Good Samaritan experiment and ask yourself, am I too hurried to help?